Have you ever wondered if some people are simply born bad? Could our DNA really make us more likely to commit crimes? Or is it all shaped by our environment, difficult childhoods, bad influences, or falling in with the wrong crowd? What's fact and what's fiction? Can we truly predict who will break the law? Let's start with biological factors. Consider genetics, for example. Some scientists have identified certain genes, like the MAOA gene, often called the warrior gene. If you carry it, you might be more prone to anger, especially under stress. But before you rush to book a DNA test, there's something important to remember. Biology isn't everything. Environment plays a huge role too. Thankfully, just having a particular gene doesn't seal your fate. Now let's talk about the brain. Your prefrontal cortex, the part just behind your forehead, is like the conductor of a grand orchestra, keeping your thoughts and actions balanced. It helps with decision-making, impulse control, and understanding consequences. Studies have shown that when this part of the brain is less active, people can become more impulsive and, yes, more likely to take risks. Imagine your brain's conductor stepping away from the podium for a moment. Suddenly, you're making poor decisions, like giving someone a box of live frogs, or worse, punching your headmaster. Then there are hormones like serotonin and testosterone. Serotonin helps regulate mood, so when levels are low, you might feel irritable, like throwing your homework, or maybe even your teacher into the nearest bin. Testosterone, on the other hand, is linked with risk-taking and dominance. It doesn't cause crime, but higher levels can sometimes make those impulses stronger. But here's the truth. Just like genetics, hormones are only part of the puzzle. Behavior isn't shaped by biology alone. It's a complex blend of biology, personal experiences, and social influences. So remember, none of these factors determine fate. Not yours, not anyone else's. And the next time you make a poor choice, sure, you could blame your prefrontal cortex for taking a break, but let's be honest, it probably isn't entirely its fault.